Sarah and I are checking out Borders. What'd you find? Is this your pile of books?
It's cow.
It is a cow. Good job.
Cat.
Now, we have to put the books up that you take down.
This is cat. The cat.
It is a cow and a kitty. You gonna put this back up?
No.
Okay. What do you see? So many to choose from.
Soccer ball.
A soccer ball? Where's the soccer ball? That's a dinosaur. You want this?
Yes.
Okay. It's a dinosaur book. What are you reading about?
Wow.
Wow. Look at those dinosaurs. Do you want this book?
Yes.
Do you want any other books?
Yes.
What books would you like?
Book.
Yep. Find me a book.
See?
At the top? With the penguins?
Yes.
This right here?
Yeah.
What's that?
There.
You're putting it back? You don't like that one? Okay. What else do you want?
Dog.
She's leaving us. What is this?
Wow. Yeah.
It's a fazoodle. I don't know what that is either.
Wow.
It's a kitty. What's that?
Yeah. Nano.
It's crafting.
The
That looks like it'd be super messy. Hmm.
Wow.
Just say wow.
Bear. Bear.
You want it for Brayden?
Yes.
You want Brayden to have this? How come? Is it because it's for babies?
Yeah.
So this is for Brayden?
There.
How thoughtful.
Up.
You want me to open it?
Yes.
No. Now this looks like pacifiers. Is that why you got it?
Wow.
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 You're a crack up. Can you say bye-bye?
No.
You gotta say bye?
No.
You want to say no?
Okay.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow. All right. Bye, Sarah.